Hello there, Cartier here. And in this video I want to unbox these Cartier glasses that I've bought. They're not actually sunglasses, they're just for putting ordinary prescription frames, lenses in. I suppose you could put dark lenses in if you wanted to. Got them from Italy, from this site here, otticanet.com, and they were £306. Somehow I got a discount on them of £46, and I think they were fairly cheap anyway then at 306. Or would have been at 300 and nearly 360 anyway. Okay, so what have we got here? Cartier branded cleaning cloth, Cartier instructions, and whatever that is. Look at this, this is a lovely thing. Feels very nice finish on that Cartier box. Flock lined, it's nice. Right, so tag, do not remove, refunds will not be accepted without this tag. Now, these are the second pair of these glasses that I've had from the site. As you can see, they've got the Cartier logo there and this C. Now, the first pair that I ordered, the C, as you can see, way off. So that pair arrived first and I wasn't impressed at all with that, and I sent them back. Fortunately they just accepted it and took them back. But that first pair didn't have this tag on. Now I'm wondering if some significance in that, because they would obviously not pass quality control if somebody's supposedly checking these and that logo on the photograph went out as it was rather than like that. I'm sure they shouldn't have gone onto the market. But yeah, really nice glasses. Got the Cartier logo there. Is that etched? It is. Yeah. So yeah, nice glasses. I'm gonna have prescription frames put in them, and I think the case is really nice. It's a really nice thing, that, and the box, nice Cartier box and everything. Yeah, so anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this brief look at these glasses. Thanks for watching.